One piece of square paper, one wearable hat. Size matters. We says origami is only for decoration? With one large sheet of square paper, you can fold a hat that's actually wearable. Just don't make it too small unless your finger has been asking for a new hat. This easy step-by-step tutorial is great for beginners and fun for all ages.